Good morning. It's 6:26 a.m. You're about to see the coolest footage I think we've gotten in a little bit. It's really, really, really cool.
You gotta like slowly hint at it in your video.
Oh, I missed! No!
You suck.
Oh, I hit him!
He's there. Big pieces of it put together. Be like, it's coming together. Something big coming together.
Yeah, I just put this in right now. Something big's coming together.
Exactly. No, well, it's in the works right now.
It's in the works.
It's not really,
It's in the works.
when we actually like.
We got something in the works.
We got
Something in the
something
works.
big. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned to them. At my favorite place right now. About to get Skipping Rock so I can bring him to the pond because we're having like family lunch out there and I think it'd be fun if a lot of people could skip around or something like that. So I'll catch you when I get the rocks because I'm in a rush, everybody. All right, gang. So I almost died on that freaking bluff. It's a really good thing I didn't bring my camera or else I would have dropped it. I would have probably broke it. Both of my legs, because I did leg day today, both of my legs started to cramp. And I was walking up a really, really, really steep bluff. And so I would have probably just like fell down the bluff. Both of them were cramping. I had to like use vines to pull me up because I could barely walk. I'm alive though, so that's all that matters. Off to the pond. Did you see her in last night's video? Or yesterday's? Eating good, Mom.
Go for it. Dad's got to go first.
There is a storm coming outside. I'm gonna try to get a cool time lapse of it rolling in, baby. Rolling in. Oh boy, it's getting windy. It is getting windy. It's getting way darker. It's raining. Okay, Google. Pause. Okay, Google, pause. Okay, Google, pause. So far, not bad. It's raining. I kind of want to go run out in it.